The first step is inspection. First, there's the person's general appearance and how they're positioned given their pain. For example, if they're perfectly still in bed with knees bent, that's concerning for peritonitis. Other features include how a person is breathing, as well as signs of abdominal distension and scars from past surgeries. Next is auscultation to hear bowel sounds. Normally there are 2 to 12 medium-pitched gurgles per minute. Decreased bowel sounds or periodic high-pitched bowel sounds over 2 minutes suggest a bowel obstruction or peritonitis. Whereas hyperactive, medium-pitched gurgles are associated with inflammation within the gastrointestinal tract. An abdominal bruit might be heard when there's an abdominal aortic aneurysm. Next, there's percussion. The gastrointestinal tract is normally filled with gas, so percussion creates a tympanitic sound. But if there's tympany over a protuberant abdomen, that indicates air accumulation, which could be due to an intestinal obstruction leading to a distended bowel.